Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about complex numbers a little more. We're going to talk about converting from the trigonometric form to the standard form. This video is going to be pretty short because it really just amounts to simplifying some trig things and doing a little bit of algebra. But to review, we are going to take something in trigonometric form, which is r times cos theta plus I times sine theta, and we're going to convert it to a plus bi. So let's just do a couple of examples and then we'll be good. So let's take the number, the complex number that's in trigonometric form, 3 times the cosine of 45 plus I times the sine of 45. All right, well, what do we do? Well, you just simplify this. So what do? Let's evaluate the cosine and the sine. So cosine of 45 is square root 2 over 2. And then the sine of 45 is also square root 2 over 2. So we can distribute this 3 to each of them. So we'll have 3 square root 2 over 2 plus 3 square root 2 over 2 I. And you'll notice I put this I at the end. It's just standard to put it at the end of the b here. So we converted from this trigonometric form to this standard form. All right, let's do one or two more here. So let's do 8 times the cosine of 150 plus the sine, I times the sine of 150. So we just simplify this as well. So what are we going to do? We have 8 times the cosine of 150, which is negative square root 3 over 2, plus I times the sine of 150, which is just a half. So we wind up with negative 8 square root 3 over 2 plus 8 over 2i, and we can reduce each of these. Negative 4 root 3 plus 4i. Now you notice I did these in degrees. You can also do this in radians. So here's one in radians. 9 times the cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus I sine 3 pi over 2. Well, this is 9 times 0 plus I times negative 1. So that's 0 plus negative 9i, or we can just write this as negative 9i. So that's really all there is to converting from trigonometric form to standard form. You just simplify and then distribute and maybe simplify a little bit more.